and welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. So in this video, we are going to understand how to build a WhatsApp chatbot to automate holiday and special occasion greetings. So as a business owner, I want to send the holiday greetings with some special offers to all my existing customers on WhatsApp. So now I've planned to build a WhatsApp chatbot for the same using a WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow. So to learn the entire process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to build a WhatsApp chatbot to send personalized greetings on holidays and special occasions. So this will help you stay connected with your clients, strengthen relationships and save time. Okay, so as a business owner, I always try to maintain good relationship with my clients. So during holidays and special occasions, sending greeting and discount offers can make a big difference. But doing this manually takes a lot of time and effort. So by building a WhatsApp chatbot, I can automate this process. For example, on New Year's Day, my clients automatically receive a warm greeting message with my business name, adding a personal touch without me having to send each message individually. This helps me stay connected with my clients, build stronger relationships, and show that I care all while saving time. Okay, so now here in this video, we are going to build an amazing WhatsApp chatbot for sending holidays and special occasions greeting messages with some special discounts. Alright, and here we are going to build this chatbot by using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, so now you might be thinking that what is exactly Pabbly Chatflow? So now let me give a brief about it. Okay, so Pabbly Chatflow is a tool that helps businesses create automated chatbots for their website and apps. It's like having a virtual assistant that can chat with visitors, answer questions, and guide them to take actions like making a purchase or signing up. People use Pabbly Chatflow to save time, improve customer support, and engage visitors 24/7. It's easy to set up, customizable, and helps businesses provide quick responses, which keeps customers happy and boosts conversions. Okay, so this was all about Pabbly Chatflow, and now here we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow to build an automated WhatsApp chatbot for sending holidays and special occasions greeting messages with some special offers. So here to build this chatbot, we are going to build a flow in Pabbly Chatflow, but here before moving forward with the flows, let me tell you that if you want to learn about some amazing features of Pabbly Chatflow that you can see in the left side bar, you can check out the videos dedicated to each feature on our YouTube channel. And also if you want to learn the detailed setup of your Pabbly Chatflow account step by step, then also you can check out the video that is already uploaded on our YouTube channel. Okay, so now let's move forward with the flow by clicking on this flows button in the left side bar. And here under Flow Builder, you can see all the flows that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow till now. Okay, so now here we are going to create a new flow for setting up this WhatsApp chatbot. But here before clicking on this Add a Flow button, let me show you the template that I've already created in Pabbly Chatflow account for activating this WhatsApp chatbot. Okay, so here I'm going to trigger the chatbot through a message template that I've already created in Pabbly Chatflow with the name Holiday Greeting. So this is my template name, and here you can see the status of my template that is approved over here. So let me open the template for you, and here you can see the entire template that I have created, which says Season's Greetings from Sparkling Scents. We are spreading joy this festive season and can't wait to make your celebrations extra special. Whether you're looking for amazing deals, thoughtful gift ideas, or neat event details, we have got you covered. How we can help you today? Holiday deals, gift ideas, event details, or contact us. So these are the basic quick replies button that I've added with this template, and now we are going to create the entire WhatsApp chatbot flow for these quick replies button given over here. Okay, so this was all about the template that I've created in Pabbly Chatflow for this WhatsApp chatbot. And now here let me tell you that you have to create a broadcast for this particular template so that automatically at a specific time your broadcast should run and automatically your customer should receive this template message as their WhatsApp message. Okay, so here I've already created a broadcast for the same, and also you can see that my broadcast is scheduled over here. So here I've scheduled this broadcast, and this broadcast is going to be run in the next 10 minutes. So before it's going to be run, I'm going to set up a proper flow for the WhatsApp chatbot for this particular template. So for that, let me take you back to the flows, and I'm going to click on this Add a Flow button given on the top right corner. And now firstly, I'm going to give a name to my flow, that is holiday greetings. So this is a name to my flow, and then here is asking me to select the flow start. So here to set up the flow start, we need to select the trigger for this flow. That means here we need to select that how our flow is going to start, or you can say how our WhatsApp chatbot is going to start. So here you can select how you want to trigger your WhatsApp chatbot, or you can say how you're going to start the conversation with your customer through a WhatsApp chatbot. Okay, so here you can add the keywords or the regex to start the conversation, and automatically this flow is going to trigger according to the keywords and the regex you have entered. And also you can use a template to trigger this WhatsApp chatbot. So in this case, I'm going to use a template because I want to automatically send the template message to all my customers to start the WhatsApp chatbot. So for that, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to choose a template over here that I've already created in my Pabbly Chatflow account with the name holiday greeting. So this is my template, and here you can see the template status that is approved over here. So I'm going to select that particular template, and here you can see the template has already been uploaded over here, and this is the exact same template that I've recently shown you. Okay, so this is the template that I've selected, and now I'm going to set up this entire flow for this quick replies button that I've added in this template. Okay, so now here I'm going to set up the further process of each quick replies button step by step. So now let's begin with the holiday deals. So if the user is going to select holiday deals, then automatically I want to send an automated message to my customer, and for that I'm going to build a connection over here, and here I'm going to add a text box first. So in this text box, I'm going to enter the message that I want to send to my customer. So this is the first message that I want to send to my customer if he or she selects the holiday deals. So here I've successfully entered the message. And now similarly, I'm going to enter the message box for each of the quick replies button attached over here in my template. Okay, so I'm going to do so. And here you can see I've successfully added the text box messages over here for each of the quick replies button that I've added in my template. Okay, so here after entering the messages, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add a button in each of the message box over here to continue this WhatsApp chatbot flow. So for that, I'm going to add a button over here, and here for the text, I'm going to enter the text as acknowledge. So here I've added a button over here so that my flow, you can see the WhatsApp chatbot stay continued. So here I'm going to add the similar button to all the message boxes so that my customer can select it from any of the option. Okay, so here I've successfully added the button in each of the message box, and now here I'm going to connect this button to a particular message that I want to send to my customer if he or she selects this acknowledged option. So now here in this message box, I'm going to enter a thank you message. So here you can see I've successfully entered a thank you message over here. Alright, so here after entering the thank you message, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to connect this particular message box with each of the acknowledge button that I've added in each of the text message box over here with the same message, because I want to send the same message to each user if they select acknowledge from any of the message box. Okay, so I'm going to build this connection over here. So I'm going to connect every box to this particular message box, and here I've successfully built this connection. And now here after entering the thank you message, I want to send another special discount code with this message. So for that, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add a button over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as secret coupon, because here I'm going to add a button for the secret coupon to make my flow more interesting. Okay, so now here after successfully creating a button for the secret coupon, I'm going to add a secret coupon over here by adding a text box again. So this is going to be another text box, and here I'm going to enter the secret coupon code for my products. Okay, so here I've successfully added a secret coupon code for my customers, and with this I have successfully set up this entire flow, or you can say I have successfully created this entire WhatsApp chatbot for sending holiday greetings and special discount codes to my customers. Okay, so this is the entire flow, and now here after successfully creating the flow, I'm going to click on the save button over here. And here you can see it says flow updated successfully. That means we have successfully created our flow and we have successfully saved it. So now by the time we were creating this flow, our broadcast has run and we have successfully sent WhatsApp messages with this particular message template to all our existing customers. Okay, so now here I had already added my contact number in the contact list of the broadcast that I've created for this particular message template. So that means I have successfully received this template message on my WhatsApp number. And now here let me take you to my WhatsApp to see the working of this entire flow, or you can say to test the entire flow that we have created over here. Okay, so let me take you to my WhatsApp. So here you can see we have received a message, but it says this message can't be shown on WhatsApp web. Open WhatsApp on your phone for the view. So now here you can see the message is not supported by the WhatsApp web over here. So here I can see this message on my phone easily, but here to show you the message, let me open the WhatsApp app on this PC as well. So here you can see the chat on my WhatsApp app on this PC, and here you can see we have successfully received the message, and here you can see the exact message that we sent with the 4 quick replies button that are holiday deals, gift ideas, event details and contact us. So now let's test each of the quick reply button by simply selecting each button step by step. Okay, so first we are going to select holiday deals, and here you can see we have received a message, but it says this message can't be displayed here. Please open WhatsApp on your phone to view the message. So again, this particular message is not supported by WhatsApp app on this PC, and I can easily see this message on my phone. So now here to show you the message, let's go back to WhatsApp web, and here you can see we can easily see this particular message that we have received by sending holiday deals as a response, and here you can see the exact message that we entered in our flow for the holiday deals. Okay, so here I'm going to click on this acknowledged. And here you can see we have successfully received a thank you message, and also we have received the option for secret coupon. So I'm going to select that. And here you can see we have successfully received a secret coupon after selecting the secret coupon button. Okay, so this was the entire working of the flow, and also you can select any other option. So let's try it with another option. Now again, here I'm going to go up, and then I'm going to select gift ideas. And again it says the message cannot be displayed, so let's move back to WhatsApp web, and here you can see we have received a successful message over here after sending the gift ideas as the response. So again I'm going to click on this acknowledged, and then again we have received a thank you message and the secret coupon button. So I'm going to select that button, and here you can see we have successfully received the secret coupon over here. So with this, we have successfully seen the entire working of the flow that we created using Pabbly Chatflow. That means we have successfully created the WhatsApp chatbot for sending holiday greetings to our customers with some special offers. Okay, so this is all for this video. Now if you want to learn more such amazing WhatsApp chatbots, then you can stay tuned on our YouTube channel for learning some amazing chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.